Diablerie is a tri-yearly amateur magazine that was published in San Francisco, California in 1944. It was edited by Bill Watson, and the magazine contains two preceding volumes, including those produced in February and March of 1944. It is noted that it costed around 5 cents a pop per paper and 15 cents annually. It is even noted that new ideas were accepted and that it didn't want to get quote-unquote boring and stuffy, so ideas and outside work were accepted regardless of who they were. It was stated that young artists were on call and that censorship was not allowed, so that the magazine expressed firm belief that everyone had a right to their own opinions, which could be then formed into stories. The transcription process of this document was relatively easy, as everyone was able to find out what most text meant due to clear and concise language, apart from a few pages. Some text, such as the one shown, was portrayed in a very unique manner that was almost hard to transcribe due to how transparent the paper was and the green letters. However, the themes of the poem almost made sense to the fact that this was portrayed in such a way, as it was very animalistic, primitive, and unique. Some of the text that was present in Diablerie, such as Thoughts While Reeling by E. Hoffman Price, was interesting. This particular story went on to talk about the author's tales with rum, rum itself, and the types of rum one can find all across the world. Some articles and texts in Diablerie had the aid of images in order to help convey the plot, argument, or claim that they were making. Even some texts had unique textual structures to them, such as this one from To a Pagan God Just Dead. They were ordered in various ways, sometimes even crossing over images to the other side in order to complete their sentences. Even the conversations and gossip of authors and what was happening in the literature sphere was talked about in Diablerie and in its texts, such as this one by author Maliano. Some of the texts had a mild shock value, such as this one by Maliano, where it ends with, "He plans to visit here in a few days. I look forward to giving him hell." Even the inclusion of levied criticisms was something that was present in Diablerie, such as this one by Eddie Clinton Jr. after he went against A.E. van Vogt, who was an inspirer of Philip K. Dick. Overall, Diablerie was an exploration not only of tales of science fiction and fantasy, but also what happened between authors in the general sphere of literature